Have you ever wondered which smartphone is creating the biggest buzz when a new series is released? Samsung has just unveiled its Galaxy S25 series, and it seems one model is truly stealing the spotlight. In this video, we'll discuss which Galaxy S25 phone is capturing the most attention and how it's performing in the market. Samsung recently introduced three phones in its Galaxy S25 lineup: the Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But they also teased something exciting: a new Galaxy S25 Edge, though it won't be available until later this year. For now, we're focusing on these three models, and the question is, which one stands out the most? According to reports from South Korea's ET News, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the clear winner. In fact, it's been reported that almost 70% of all Galaxy S25 series sales in South Korea have come from the Ultra version, which shows just how popular it's become. That's a huge share, and it tells us that many customers are opting for the Ultra over the other models. Why is the Galaxy S25 Ultra getting so much love? It's all about the features. The Ultra model is known for its top-tier camera system, the largest screen, and the most powerful performance among the S25 phones. If you're someone who wants the best of the best, the Ultra is definitely the model to go for. Another thing that's catching people's attention is the color selection. SK Telecom, one of South Korea's major mobile carriers, revealed that the two most popular colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are titanium black and titanium white silver. These colors have a premium, sophisticated look, which is probably why so many buyers are drawn to them. The sleek, modern finishes of these colors only add to the phone's luxury feel. But let's not forget about the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. Even though the Ultra is clearly taking the lead, the regular Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus aren't far behind. They're still attracting buyers who might not want to spend as much on the Ultra, but still want a high-quality smartphone. The most popular colors for these models are Ice Blue and Silver Shadow. Ice Blue has a calm and refreshing appeal, while Silver Shadow offers a shiny, elegant touch that's bound to turn heads. It's important to note that the demand for the Galaxy S25 series is tracking similarly to last year's Galaxy S24 series. Samsung's previous lineup also saw strong sales, with plenty of customers excited to purchase the new models. So, the fact that the Galaxy S25 series is receiving the same level of enthusiasm shows just how loyal Samsung's customer base is and how well the brand's new features and improvements are being received. What does all this mean for Samsung? It's clear that the Galaxy S25 lineup is doing incredibly well in South Korea. The Ultra version is leading the pack, but the regular S25 and S25 Plus models are still proving to be strong contenders. These phones offer fantastic value for anyone who doesn't want to go all in on the Ultra version, but still desires a phone that packs a punch. The S25 series truly offers something for everyone, whether you're after top-tier performance or a more affordable yet powerful option. What's also fascinating is how people are making their decisions based on colors and features. Some are drawn to the larger, more feature-rich Ultra, while others are content with the smaller but still impressive Galaxy S25 or S25 Plus. Samsung's diverse range of options ensures that there's something to match every user's taste and needs. Now that we've seen how the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up in terms of sales and popularity, it's time for you to weigh in. Do you find yourself leaning toward the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or are you more interested in the regular S25 or S25 Plus? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know which model is your top pick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing ensures you won't miss out on our future content, where we'll continue to cover the latest phone releases, tech news, and everything you need to stay up to date in the world of smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have you ever wondered what would happen if Apple took a bold step with the iPhone SE4 by sticking to a single rear camera while most of its competitors are jumping on the multi-camera bandwagon? It's a curious move, especially when you consider that in 2025, a majority of smartphones in the budget range come with multiple cameras. So is Apple onto something innovative, or are they making a mistake by not following the latest trend? The iPhone SE4 marks a significant milestone as the first new mid-range iPhone in 3 years. Leaks and rumors about the device have already started to surface, giving us an idea of what we can expect. The iPhone SE4 is expected to borrow design elements from the iPhone 14, featuring a 6.1-inch OLED display and a modern design with sleek edges. Along with that, the battery capacity will be around 3279 mAh, offering improved performance and efficiency. But despite these exciting upgrades, the one thing that's got everyone talking is the camera. Unlike most modern smartphones, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to only include a single 48-megapixel rear camera, which is a huge upgrade from the previous 12-megapixel sensor. But here's the catch. With competitors offering dual and even triple camera setups in this price range, will this single camera approach be enough to keep up? After all, camera quality has become a major factor in today's smartphone market. The truth is, Apple isn't focusing solely on the camera for the iPhone SE4. Instead, they're doubling down on what really matters: performance. The iPhone SE4 will come with the powerful A18 chipset, the same processor that will power the upcoming iPhone 16 series. This chip, combined with 8 gigabytes of RAM, will provide a smooth and fast user experience, ensuring that this phone can handle everything from basic tasks to intensive applications. And don't forget, Apple is also introducing its first in-house 5G modem, allowing users to experience fast internet speeds. Even with just one rear camera, Apple could be relying on its impressive AI capabilities to enhance the photography experience. We've already seen how Apple uses AI to improve image quality, and with the SE4, it's likely that the camera's software will make up for its hardware limitations. For everyday users who don't need professional-grade photography, the AI-powered enhancements will ensure that your photos look great, even with just one lens. The AI can enhance everything from color accuracy to low-light performance, making the single camera more capable than it might seem at first glance. So is the iPhone SE4 worth considering? If you're someone who uses your phone for everyday tasks like social media, video streaming, and light browsing, the SE4 could be the perfect fit. With its powerful performance, long battery life, and reliable software support from Apple, this phone is built to last. Plus, since Apple provides extended software updates, you won't be left behind in terms of features and security for several years. However, if you're someone who values having a great camera experience, the iPhone SE4 might not be your first choice. In this case, you could consider the iPhone 14, which offers a dual camera system and is available for around the same price as the SE4. If you're open to Android, there are also strong alternatives in this price range, such as the Google Pixel 9a and Samsung Galaxy A56, both offering competitive features like multiple cameras, AI enhancements, and long-lasting software support. Ultimately, the decision comes down to what you prioritize in a smartphone. Is it the raw power and performance that the iPhone SE4 offers, or is the camera system more important to you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and detailed comparisons. Samsung is about to drop some exciting new smartphones in their A-series lineup, with the Galaxy S25, a 30-sticks, and a 20-sticks rumored to be just around the corner. As these devices near their official release, there's a lot of chatter about what Samsung has in store for us. So what makes these phones stand out, and why should we be paying attention? Let's take a closer look at the details that have everyone talking. First off, the most recent leaks and certifications have given us a sneak peek into what these devices might offer. The Galaxy S25, a 30-sticks, and a 20-sticks have appeared on the TÜV Rheinland certification list, a strong signal that they're nearing an official launch. The most notable feature of these models seems to be the charging speeds. The Galaxy S25 and A30-sticks are expected to support charging speeds of 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, which equals a maximum power output of 45 watts. The Galaxy A20